Hello children, today we are learning chapter number 2, A Mother's Love. A Mother's Love. So it's a story of duck and ducklings. So let's begin the story. So before beginning the story, I want you to open page number 11 in your textbook, listen to the video and follow it. So let's start the story. One day, a mother duck and her little ducklings were on their way to a lake. The ducklings were very happy following their mother and quacking along the way. So one day, Mother Duck and her little ducklings, duck, ducklings, duck, ducklings. So what is ducklings? Ducklings means a baby ducks. Okay. So one day Mother Duck and their baby ducks, that is ducklings, were on their way to the lake. The ducklings were very happy to follow their mother and they were making a quacking sound on their way. So after a little while they come across a rabbit. The rabbit played hide and seek with the ducklings and then went its way. So after a little while on their way to the lake, they saw a rabbit. The rabbit played hide and seek with the ducklings and went its way. So it went away. So then a tortoise came by. So after the rabbit, tortoise came. The ducklings thought it was a moving stone. They climbed on it and jumped and had fun. The tortoise too enjoyed playing with the ducklings. After some time, they said goodbye and moved towards the lake. So, the ducklings first they played with the rabbit hide and seek, and then they met tortoise on their way, and the ducklings thought the tortoise it is a moving stone. So they thought the tortoise as a moving stone, so they climbed on it and jumped and had lots of fun. And even the tortoise had lots of fun and even it enjoyed by with playing with ducklings. So after some times the duckling said goodbye and started to move towards the lake. All of a sudden, the mother duck saw a fox in the distance. If the fox saw them, she knew he would eat up all of them. She was frightened and shouted, "Children, hurry to the lake. There's a fox." The ducklings waddled hurriedly towards the lake, but they were too small to move fast. The fox was coming nearer and nearer. The mother duck didn't know what to do. So all of a sudden, after playing with rabbit and tortoise, they started to move towards the lake. Suddenly, Mother Duck saw a fox in the distance, saw a fox standing little far. Then the Mother Duck thought, if the fox sees us, then definitely the fox is going to eat us. So the mother duck was very scared. It was frightened and started to shout towards the children. Children, children, hurry to the lake. Move fastly. Go to lake. There is a fox. Then Sada ducklings, hearing to the mother, started to move very quickly, waddling hurriedly towards the lake. So, what is meant by waddling, children? So, walking with slow steps with a sway motion. So, swaying the swaying motion, they were waddling, means walking with a slow step. They started to rush towards the lake. But the ducklings were too small to move fast. They were too small. They could not move fast. The fox was coming very close. The fox was coming nearer and nearer. The mother duck didn't know what to do. Now the mother ducks got stuck. She don't know what to do now. The only thing in her mind was the safety of her ducklings. She suddenly got an idea. She began to walk back and forth, dragging one wing on the ground. The fox saw her and became happy. He said to himself, "It seems that she is hurt and can't fly. I can easily catch her and eat. She'll make a lavish meal." He slowly went towards her. So, mother now got stuck. She don't know what to do because the ducklings are not moving very fast because they are waddling. The ducks cannot move as they are very small. So now the fox is coming closer and closer, nearer and nearer. She was thinking only the safety of the ducklings. So now suddenly she got an idea. She started to walk back and forth, front, back and front. Slowly she was started to begin walking front and back, dragging one wing slowly on the ground. Dragging means pulling a wing slowly on the ground. Then now the fox saw her and he became very happy. The fox saw the duck, mother duck, so walking front and back and dragging, pulling the wing on the ground with very difficulty. The fox saw and it was very happy. And it said to himself, the fox said to himself, I think the duck has been hurt and now the duck cannot able to fly. So now I can easily catch her, hold her and eat. I think this will make a luxurious meal for me. This will be a rich meal for me. So slowly it started moving forward. The mother duck ran little faster, leading the fox away from the lake. The fox followed her. The mother duck looked towards her ducklings. She saw them getting into the lake. "Now the fox won't be able to harm my ducklings," she said to herself, relieved. Now, the mother duck, as soon as the fox started to move towards her, now slowly the mother duck started to run little faster. So, making the fox behind. So, stay behind. Now, it started to move little faster. Now, even the fox started to following her. The mother duck saw their ducklings. She saw the ducklings getting into the lake. So now mother duck said to herself, "That's now." So the ducks finally went into the lake. Now the fox will not be going to eat the ducklings or harm my ducklings. So now she felt happy that now there is no dangers for the ducklings. When she stopped to take a deep breath, the fox thought that she was tired and he came closer. The clever mother duck quickly spread her wings and rose up in the air. She landed in the middle of the lake. Her ducklings merrily swam to her. She was very happy that she could save her little ones. When she stopped moving to take a deep breath, that finally my ducklings are safe from the fox. They are inside the lake, so now the fox cannot do anything to my little ducklings. Now she stopped and took a deep breath. So the fox then thought, okay, now I think the duck is tired, so I'm going to catch her. Now he came little closer to the duck. So by seeing the fox coming closer, the clever duck spread her wings. So she opens her wings and rise up in the air. She rose up. So rise, rose, rise, rose. So she rose up in the air. So she moved higher level. So she moved like highly, high up. So in the air, and she landed in the middle of the lake. So she rised up in the air and she landed in the middle of the lake. Her ducklings merrily swam to her. So ducklings happily swam near to the duck. She was very happy. The duck was very happy that she could save her little ones. So she was very happy for saving her little ones from the fox. The fox stared in disbelief at the duck and her ducklings, which were happily swimming in the middle of the lake. The fox started to see them by with a big, wide open eyes. The fox started to stare at the duck, and even the fox couldn't able to believe on its own. It was in a deep disbelief at the duck. He started to stare, and her ducklings, which were very happily swimming in the middle of the lake. Now, so what do you learn from this lesson, children? A mother loves her children more than herself. So how the duck loved their little one, the same way mother loves her children more than herself. So now it's a must known fact that some birds will drag one of their wings on the ground when the enemy is going to attack them. So in this way, they fool their enemies into thinking that they are hurt. So this gives them time to escape. So that is how it happened with the duck and the fox. So let us read aloud the difficult words. Duckling, waddled, distance, frightened, safety, relieved, breath, merrily, stared, disbelief. So hope you liked the story. Hope you understood the lesson, children. So practice the difficult words in your notebook.